guys, welcome back to my channel as School Library. So yeah guys, as today we are going to do our drawing. So our topic drawing name is how to draw a girl. So this is a cute girl, so how to draw her. So it's very easy guys. So without wasting the time, let me go into the video. So let me start. So first let me draw the eyebrows and let me draw the eye and let me do the darkness of them and the nose, lips. Now let me draw the hair. So ears also. Now the bow and the ponytail. And let me took a stylish dress as like this, and like you have to draw a small like a hand and the hair. Now let me draw the earring. Now let me start the hairstyles as the hair coloring. And now we are going to draw the bow. Give like a butterfly so it look amazing. And now we are going to do the shading for the neck and face. So make little bit darkness so it looks more attractive and like a perfect corner. First let me finish to the dress and let me go to the face. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you like if you want more updates, please subscribe to my channel, and you can see over there a bell button, so click that for my updates. And if you like this video and this is helpful to others, please share the video and subscribe the video, like the video. So wait for my video. So till then, bye bye, take care.